it's your girl Kamaa NETE, and I am here with another video. Okay, y'all already know the deal. Make sure y'all like this video, y'all subscribe down below, comment after this video, and yes, so let's get in with this. So I'm going ahead and I'm working on my eyebrows. If you haven't seen the eyebrows, I do have a eyebrow tutorial down below. Okay, all right. So just making sure that those girls is perfect, nice and crisp the way that I need them. Now that she is in place, we're taking some concealer, we're cleaning up, making sure she looks the way that she needs to look. Okay, all right. Believe it or not, eyebrows take me the longest to do. The longest to do. Why? I have no idea. But, you know, it's okay. Once more again, if you're not subscribed at this point, I urge you to hit that subscribe button down below, okay? Give your girls a thumb up, okay? All right. And I love you too. So I decided that I was just gonna do like a fast, type of face. So I did all my concealer and foundation all in one. So you see me right now taking the concealer, and this is my foundation, and I'm just putting it all on my face. I take a lighter concealer where I kind of want areas to be light at, and I put those in these spots, okay? Once that's where I need it, I go in, I wet my sponge a little bit, and I get to blending. You may have to wet your sponge or your brush a couple of times, being that I did put all the products on at once, so certain areas dried down faster than others. Once I get it looking the way that I need to, I'm just blending out harsh lines. As you can see, the eyebrows, because I did the concealer there first, it's harder to blend a bit more, but I eventually got it. I then go in with my Maybelline Fit Powder, and I'm putting that all under my eye, making sure that she gets into the skin. I also add a little bit to the nose, the cheek. That's my husband. The chin. Normally where I can just conceal that. That's where I put it at. I'm now going in with bronzer and blush, and I'm just putting that color back into my face. I feel like I went a little bit too hard this time, but it's okay. I eventually fixed it. But once I have it where, I want, I'm blending it in. I brush a little bit away. I get it to how I want. You smile, cheekbones will guide you. I did take an orange blush and I added it to the top part. I didn't want to do a pink blush because we're going to be doing yellow today, and I feel like orange would accent it better. So like I said, I went back in with my powder and I just went over, you know, where I put the blush and the contour at, so that it doesn't look so, you know, stamped on. I want it to look, you know, nice and mellow and soft. So we just go back in, still blending the face. Once I got it to where I liked it, I moved on. So now I have this prime and it's supposed to like help lock in your makeup. Me personally, I didn't really like the product, but I wanted to try it out again because you really need a bright base when you're working with yellow. I don't recommend you using a sponge when blending this out. It will take up the product. So I used the brush and I just blended that all over the lid. This is me showing you in slow motion because when you move too fast, the product does pick up, as I said before. Once I have it the way I like it, I'm taking this nice fair yellow color and I'm putting that all on the top part of my eye. You can see the difference already, how it just sticks into that prime and lock and it shows the color. I noticed that it worked best when I pressed in and then sweeped. It definitely got the color where I needed it to be. Once I think it's enough, I go ahead and I'm taking now this bright yellow, and I'm going to be putting this on the rest of my lid. Take your time. I know it's sped up and everything, but I promise you I was doing it for a while. And like I said, I noticed that I needed to stamp it in and then go along. So that's what I did on both eyes. See, stamping and sweeping at the same time. I went back in to get rid of any harsh lines. I then took like this tan color and I put it in the outer crease. Now it's color theory, okay? Yellow is a primary color, so is red and so is blue. All the colors that you ever see are made with red, yellow, or blue. So yeah, there's your fact. So I'm going in with this yellow glittery shade. It melted into the lid and the camera did not do it justice on the sparkle, but it's okay because I figure out how to make it pop. But I can't not have glitter, you know. Who would I be? So here I am just putting in the beginning of my lid. That way it has a little bit of glistening to it. And then here's my favorite part. I put that same yellow into my tear duct. Oh my gosh, it brought the whole look together. Like, it gave me what I wanted. And as you can see, it just pops and it blended so well. I'm then taking this golden highlighter, which is just another shade of yellow, and I'm just adding a little bit to the middle of that yellow that I just put there to make it pop even more. Now I look like a star. And then I add some to my underbrow. Bringing the look completely together. Here I am adding some mascara. I didn't do lashes with this look. I really didn't want the lashes to take away from the yellow because yellow is not a common eyeshadow look. So I wanted to keep it nice, calm, and collected. Can't forget the bottom lashes. They matter too. And then take a little bit more of that highlighter and I just drag it down for the under eye. Now we're using setting spray. Yes, I wilded out, but it's alright. I'm taking that same highlighter that I used for my eyes and I'm putting that in the Cupid's bowl on my nose. And then put some onto my cheekbone. And like I always say, you can put highlighter anywhere you want to, you know. Add a little bit on the forehead and the chin. Next, I take this super matte nude lipstick. I never really do a nude lipstick, so I wanted to try it out. I had a yellow lipstick, and for the life of me, I can't find it. So my safest bet was to just do a nude. And I take this Revolution lip gloss. It looks dark, but I promise you it just melts. It has a little metallic look to it. So it has, you know, as you can see looking at it, it has a little bit of hints of a gold metallic reflect. And I wanted that to pop through. And voila, your star of the night, your raging sun of the day, your yellow queen is here. So here is the looks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you all. Please be safe. And until next time, bye guys.